we're gonna start making it to the spot. I'm gonna make it away from the road pretty quick here, but hope you'll enjoy. Okay. It's a bit slick. God. Well, damn it if that's not a way to get down. I realized that on this channel I don't have to hide my face after the fall. So even though it is dark as piss, I am not wearing any coverings. So yeah. Anyways, we continue. It appears I have done an excellent job angering the local wildlife, as there's a deer snorting at me right now. It just snowed yesterday, and hey, free sunglasses. Not bad. Funny part is, I'm pretty sure these are mine. An old pair. I just need to keep moving a little because I will be silhouetting here. So I'm going to turn off the flashlight. I was here yesterday, so that's why there's a pit. There it is. These things are good. I mean, look at it, it's like taking a torch. Okay. The mud slides here throughout this area. Honestly, I don't care that much about this getting muddy right now. I just don't want to get my pants any more muddy. Crap. Is this wet too? Nope. Quite wet. Not even worth trying to dry it. Not good. Actually, you know what? Let's capitalize on this. Yeah. Here we go. That's the stuff I like to see. That's where it's at. Sweet. And really hurts. So I'm just gonna do some real basic setup here. This is why you bring paper and storm matches, because you can be lazy as crap and it's not gonna matter. Stuff them into here. Don't worry, I can't see either. Oh, come on. Start, damn it. Come on. Come on. Well, I can tell you this much. It is not acting as anticipated. Light, damn it. Oh, my eyes burn. Not happy. It's doing this stupid dry burn crap, where it's like burning, but there's no flame, so it doesn't really do me much good except smoking a lot. Look at the smoke, jeez. It's because there's not a lot of oxygen. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, my eyes burn. Yes, fire, we have fire. Oh, keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it. Ah. You gotta be kidding me. Yes. We have ignition again. I'd like to keep it this time. This is going to be a freaking battle. Oh, not again. I know I'm being lazy and did not put a ton of kindling in here. And to you I say, damn it, I hate that you're right. I'll feed you, much unlike my late goldfish, Remy. I did not feed him very well. Is this his ghost? Yes! And it's out again. It really wants to go out on me. This fire would really rather not exist. I think it's poor air. It's not very windy. Flame. Flame, please. Flame, please. Would like flame. Would love flame. Flames are fun. Flames are good, heart-healthy fun. I really think it's the lack of air. Look how much I've slid. It's terrible. Maybe a mossy branch. Ah, here's something. Is this dead? Ooh, good crunch too. Pinecone's really good. Short-term candle, basically. Burns hot, doesn't last long. The brightest stars suck. At least that's what Stephen Hawking taught me. I'm still enjoying the fighting the fire. And this is a very different definition of fighting a fire than usual. Fighting for its life. Well, we'll see if it catches up a little bit more. And then I'll get back to you. Right, so it's been like 30 minutes. And, well, it's looking. We got some coals. That's all I really needed. So we're gonna have some good. So to do that, we're gonna need some water. Plumbing. Alright, check back with you later. This wood caught on fire. I just had to blow on it quite a bit to get it to remember that it was on fire. Alright. We're gonna throw it in now. Yes, it's ramen. Why? Because it's easy. Does not take up a lot of pack space. And I would fight you if you said it did not taste good, because I like its taste, and anything tastes good when you're camping and hungry. Beat that. This smoke really sucks. It feels like being pepper sprayed. Well, I wanted excitement. Fighting that was damn exciting. I'm going to take the stuff off the fire, put it out. When you're out in the woods like this, you get humbled. You have all these grand plans about what you're going to be doing, and then the reality of it comes in and smacks you in the face. Don't be so arrogant, you goober. Or something like that. Don't have to be special, because technically everyone's special. And that's what non-special people's parents tell them to make them feel better. Oh god, I'm not putting that in. That's terribly sad. Gonna put in the flavor packet. Oh buddy, clean rip. Hell yeah. I don't care, this is crap food. My fiance turned me on to ramen, and it's great. It's cheap garbage, but it's full of carbs, so it's kind of filling. It's easy, fits in a pack, very small, and you can buy 28 packs of ramen for $6 on Amazon. I think that just makes this an all-around amazing food. Food that's cheap as me, just it makes me happy, you see. I recommend at least finding a flavor of ramen that you tolerate and sticking it in packs, because it's going to be the cheapest MRE option you can find. And then once you find a flavor you tolerate, find a flavor that you love, and then you're great to go. Eating food feels good. Good time to be moving out. The silence is starting to get fucking terrifying. Ooh, that's close. Yeah, that sent a shiver up my spine. Alright, that's it from me, folks. Later.